yourself. Crash down. Elizabeth, can you get up? Stand up, sweetheart. Stand up. Stand up. This is our special crawl. Hey, sweetheart.
Down.
You don't want this? She's been holding onto the spoon when she walks. Okay. Woo! Get up, baby girl. You do not need to throw that at me, honey. Thank you for cleaning. Hi, sweetheart. She's walking now, sweetie.
I'm crawling.
You're crawling? I see that. Alright, well, there are some first steps anyways. You know, they're intent on crawling, so. Elizabeth, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Alright, there they are. On April 24th, 2008. She started walking 2 days ago.